Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right, but your career, your money, your life isn't just moving forward? Like you are stuck in a loop of working hard, but getting nowhere. I have been there. Let me tell you, feeling stuck is one of the most frustrating things ever. I remember sitting one day in my car after a long shift at work. I had bills piling up, dreams that felt too far away, and this overwhelming question in my head: is this really it? Is this how life is supposed to be? And I know some of you are asking yourself the same question right now. But guess what? You don't have to stay stuck. I found the key to breaking free, and today I'm going to share it with you. At the end of this video, you will know exactly what has been holding you back, and more importantly, how to break free of this circle and start winning in your career, finance, and in your life. Before we talk about the fix, let's talk about the problems. Why do most people feel stuck? The truth is, being stuck isn't lack of opportunity. It's lack of clarity, confidence, and action. Let's break it down. Have you ever felt like you're running, but you don't even know where you're running to? That's lack of clarity. Most people work hard, but they're not working towards anything specific. They are just busy. A while ago, I spoke to a friend who kept saying, I need to make more money. And I asked, how much? She said, I don't know, just much. And then I said to her, well, more could be $10, $100, or $10,000. You have to be specific. And that's when she realized that she has never even sat down to define what success really looks like for her. So here is what to do. Get a notebook right now and write down these 3 questions. Number 1, what do I want life to look like in 3 years? Secondly, how much money do I want to make? Number 3, what skills or business ideas will help me get there? Listen, fear is number 1 thing keeping people stuck. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of what people will say, fear of looking stupid. And let me tell you something, fear is a liar. Let me be real with you. When I first started putting myself out there, I was terrified. I kept thinking, what would people think? What would people say? But let me tell you something funny. While you are worrying about what people will think, they are too busy worrying about themselves. Nobody is sitting around thinking about you all day. Once I realized that, everything changed. The key to building confidence is action. You don't wait to build confidence. You take action, and confidence comes later. Think of something you've been scared to do. Is it applying for a better job, starting a side hustle, or asking for a raise? And take action towards it this week. Here's the brutal truth. There's never going to be a perfect time. Never. And if you're waiting for the stars to align, you'll be waiting forever. I once had a friend who wanted to start a business. She kept saying, I need to take one more course. I need to save more money. I need to wait till next year. Fast forward 3 years later, and she is still waiting. Meanwhile, someone else started with 0 experience, figured things out along the way, and now they're making money. Moral of the story, start now. If you're waiting for the perfect time, let me be the first to tell you, the perfect time is now. Start messy, start scared, start unprepared. Just start. At the beginning of this video, I told you about that night in the car when I felt completely stuck. You know what changed my life? One decision. I made a choice to stop waiting and start doing. And now I am challenging you to do the same. Here's what I want you to do. Decide what you want. Take one small step today and drop a comment and let me know what action you're taking. So my achievers, if this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification because we are just getting started. Let's go after our goals with confidence. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.